But we have to have a fine line between business development and being just a clinician and kind of apply both hats. I always say this to a lot of my colleagues and clients. Like today, you're going to be the doctor. Wear the doctor hat.
Right.
When I'm talking to you, put on the business owner hat.
Right.
Because I want to understand what are your disadvantages, what are your weak points, what are your deficits, and let's build on that. And spend money in marketing. I know some people that spend $4,000 a month US on Google ads, but the ads are crap. They're not converting, and they just keep doing it. I'm like, you know what? Just give me that money. Just give it to me.
You're burning the money.
You're burning. You're gonna burn it. Just give it to me. I'll take it gladly. But let's try a different strategy. Right?
That means like, can you educate doctors like how they can choose their consultant or their agency? That means like they are not aware about the parameters of choosing the right agency as well.
Listen, marketing is hard. It's not so black and white. I can't reference her off. It's what marketing isn't so simple, right? So I think choosing people or partners, if you will, that A, have experience and B, have results. I think those are important. And patient acquisition is multifactorial. That's one of my, I'm gonna get that tattooed on my body at some point. It's one of the things I say all the time. Patients come from different avenues. Only a certain percentage of your patients will come from marketing, not all of it.
Exactly.
Some will come from word of mouth. Some will come because their aunt knows you and they're gonna send you there, or it's a reputation, word of mouth referrals, community relationships, embedded in your town as a local provider of choice. So really it's to understand,